How to calculate percentage of total. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you how you can calculate the percentage of total. This is a true beginners tutorial. If you are an advanced user, this is not for you. Let's get started. Now, what do I mean by percentage of total? So here we have product and here we have amount. Okay, and this is the total sales amount. I want to find out the sale percentage of product A based on total sales value. Okay, so for that I'm going to write a basic formula here. I'm going to write here equal to, and then I'm going to select the amount of which I want to find out the percentage of total, and then I'm going to divide this with total sale value. I'm going to write here slash, and then here is a trick. If I click here, we have cell B7, but we need to fix this. There is an advanced feature which is called absolute and relative reference. I have a video on this. You don't have to understand that right now. All you need to understand is that where you have your total cell, then you'll have to add $sign before and after the column name, or just click in between of that cell reference and then press F4 on your keyboard and your cell reference will look like this: $B, $7, okay, which is our cell B7. Why we have fixed it? Because we are going to calculate with the same formula for all these cells. We don't want the total amount to move around. Okay, you need to remember your product cell amount divided by total amount, and your total amount cell reference should be absolute, and by absolute cell reference you need to add $sign before the column sign and after the column sign or before the row sign. Okay, now if you can remember this, you are good to go. Now our formula is ready. If I press enter, we'll have decimal point. Okay, now if you need to apply this for all these cells, hover your mouse at the bottom right corner, plus sign will appear, left click and drag it. Okay, all the cell has been filled with the formula we have written here. Okay, with specific reference. You can see when I click on cell C3, our first reference changed from B2 to B3 because we are working on row 3, but our total reference did not change. It is still B7. If I click on the next cell, you can see here this cell reference has been changed B4, but here total cell reference is still B7 because we have fixed it with the $sign by pressing F4 on our keyboard. Okay, now it doesn't look like percentage right now, so select it from the home tab, click on this percentage sign. Now this is the total number and these are the percentage. Okay, by this calculation we now know 24% of our total sale is for product B, and this is how you calculate percentage from total. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.